It's frittata time. To the left, we got some caramelized cauliflower and coconut oil. And garlic. Garlic. What do I do with the cat? There it is. And over here, we have wasabi crusted mussel meat. Got a good deal on mussel meat, 5 pounds for $12. How are you going to beat that? Coat the bottom with the caramelized cauliflower. And press it down a little. Now we have a nice bed. Pause for the cause. And we're going to egg it up. We have medium brown eggs, so we need, normally we do a 7-egg omelet. Tonight we're doing 8, so that equals 6 eggs. And there are beautiful brown eggs from, believe it or not, Dollar Tree. And cheese it up a little. Get a little grated cheese, Parmesan Romano tonight. You like Parmesan Romano. Looks good. We have a jar of oysters we were thinking of using, but I think we have enough mussels. If we don't have enough mussels, we have them in the freezer frozen. We could grab a few of those and add them. Yeah, I think we're going to add them. A couple extra. They're frozen, they'll defrost. A little leftover. Alright, quick pause for the cause. Alright, even though they're frozen, once I turn them up, oops, one hit the floor. Say goodbye. Just want to fill in those voids. We like mussels. We were going to open a can of oysters, but we just want to do straight. I put one there, and then just mush it down. Let it all combine, and then onto the flame, and we're good to go. Stovetop frittatas. All right. If it makes it, you'll see the chef challenge. My dinner.